So right now it's time to open with my hands. Oh my god, look at this meat, it's very amazing. Hola amiguitos, hola, I'm Ulises Cruz and this is Plant-Based Masterpiece. Right now I'll show you how to open one young coconut. Very easy. All you need is one big kitchen knife and of course one young coconut. Make sure it's happy your coconut and also you. After that, you know what to do with your meat, with your coconut meat? If you don't know what to do with your coconut meat, I'm gonna let you one recipe below. I hope you get it. It's how to make some wraps with coconut, yes, with young coconut. Please get it. It's time to open one young coconut. Let's do it. So how we are gonna open this young coconut is very easy and very simple. I'm gonna mark them. We're gonna hit on that side. Actually, we can open so quickly, hitting on this or around of this side. Make sure use this side, not the flat side. So if you don't wanna hit it, just cut it. Cut it. Keep cutting. Stay doing. Let's remove the husk. Look at this. Wow, it's the first time doing this. I mean, it's the first time that I'm watching this. So, just make sure remove a little husk, because sometimes it's huge or is big. So once you remove the husk, it's time to hit the shell. So then if it's your first time hitting one coconut, it's time to actually put away your other hand. Yes, actually I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna open with one hand and one knife. It's time to hit it. Try to hit all around. I'm pretty sure that it's not gonna be perfect, but anyway, try to do it. When you already hit it very good, it's time to put a little pressure right here and try to open it. I don't know if you heard that, but I already opened with 2 hits. I can see some water, but it's time to keep opening. Do you hear that? Just put a little pressure and try to open the shell, and if you want to make sure if it's open or not yet, time to see if the water can be out. It's little. Actually, how I see that it's open, just I'm gonna put a little more pressure. Say one hand. Oops. Oh my god, I love it. There is a lot of water. I love this kind of coconut because there is a lot of water in there. Please, more water, please, I want more water. So, let me squeeze it a little bit. This is ridiculous, Ulises. So right now it's time to open with my hands. Oh my god, look at this meat, it's very amazing. Oh my god. So right now how we can take off the meat? Very easy. 1 spoon. So make sure when you remove all shell, the small pieces. Please make sure clean it. Also, you can rinse some cold water while you're doing this. It's gonna take your time, but it's gonna be the better option. Let's try to avoid these small pieces. Please make sure remove it. Remove all of them. So make sure remove all meat from here on the same way. I mean, it's gonna take a little longer. I mean, it's gonna take a little time, but it's worth it. So then, amigos, make sure remove all the meat. When you open one young coconut, did you see? You should remove first the husk. After that, hit the shell. That's it. And use one spoon, the most important part. And also don't throw away your water. Thank you for playing this video, and also if you want to know more about what we can do with our meat, I'm gonna leave you one recipe below how to make something with that, what we can do with our meat, with our coconut meat. Thank you, see you soon. Peace and love to the coconut meat.